Welcome to Wi-Fi Money, where our mission is to help you increase and diversify your income online. Make sure you hit that like button if you gain any value, subscribe for more money-making tips, and tap that notification bell so you're first to each and every new money-making opportunity. Please feel free to check out our website, letsmakewifimoney.com, to get updates on money-making opportunities before they go live on our channel. We also have some awesome Wi-Fi Money merchandise if you need some new threads. Also linked below are all of our favorite software and programs used to make this channel possible, including SEO ranking tools, YouTube course, editing software, and best of all, the program we actually use to make these videos possible. Without a further ado, let's get into it. Now, Q4 of 2021 could potentially be one of the biggest holiday season opportunities of a lifetime. With the life/career changing elements COVID-19 threw our way, as well as the internet breaking trends emerging out of absolutely nowhere, this is your time as an online seller to shine. Whether you're looking to buy in bulk on eBay, Shopify dropshipping, Facebook Marketplace dropshipping, or even Amazon FBA, these products will bring you massive returns. We spent hours reviewing other popular e-commerce websites and YouTube channels with disappointing results each time. This is a 100% unique list that you will not get anywhere else. Every single one of these products are from primary sources, not just other articles. These sources exclusively consist of a very successful Amazon FBA seller group I'm a part of, moving hundreds of these units. I work closely with these guys creating their display videos for marketing purposes. One of these products I actually came up with myself after doing hours of my own research for another YouTube video. Without a further ado, let's reveal these moneymakers. With more and more people working from home, employers are realizing a productivity increase once employees started working remotely. Now, home stations have boomed as a result of this. Unfortunately, not everybody actually has the luxury of a home office. Sometimes the kitchen or dining room table is in use and you have to work on the couch or in bed. Maybe you even have to work on the floor. I hate working in these places, it's just a mess. This workstation makes it so much easier, so you're solving a rapidly growing nationwide issue. Now, the next product is an amazing stocking stuffer for the upcoming holiday season. Not only did the Squid Game costume products murder the Shopify dropshipping world for Halloween, but this is something perfect for hardcore fans once the costumes become irrelevant. Squid Game is the #1 show to hit Netflix ever. By nature, this trend took the internet by storm, and it's not too late. Now, one thing I actually got asked a lot after the initial release of my first video regarding the top products, it was regarding possible copyright issues with Squid Game. Now, I highly recommend titling this product something along the lines of, quote, red jumpsuit plush toy. Lots of sellers use the official Squid Game name for their Halloween costume collections, but we here at Wi-Fi Money are dedicated to making your experience in e-commerce as trouble-free as possible. No need to risk it, your customer will know exactly what you're talking about. Now, piggybacking on the first product, this could be a potential upsell or even appeal to the people who are not exactly confined to their couch, floor, or bed. Maybe you have a kitchen table or even a small desk. You need as much desk space as possible. Not to mention, it's so comfortable to be able to sit back and type instead of having to slouch forward. This is another perfect home office product that will be around for a long time. Now, moving on, I'm throwing in another home office product. Do you see a trend? High-ticket items are great as they often offer a much higher profit margin. Now, let's be honest. Most people just buy either whatever Amazon office chair is the best seller or prime recommended, or whatever is in stock at Walmart. But with most people getting much more use out of their office chairs, working remotely, organizing meetings via Zoom instead of in person, etc., everyone's old, cheap, and worn-out office chairs are becoming more uncomfortable. So, the point being, they most likely hate their chair because they are not ergonomic. Find a chair that you can sell that has some lumbar support, adjustable arms, memory foam butt padding, etc. Now, speaking from experience, this would kill with the right ad copy, but here's the key. You're solving a problem most people don't understand that they have. Make your target audience understand and realize in your marketing how beneficial these features are to comfort, mood, and productivity. You could even target business owners to maybe convert their current office chairs to these productivity boosting chairs, resulting in a lot more sales. And you could say things like the more comfortable and ergonomic the chair, the less breaks are required, which increases profit. Proper lumbar support and posture support will prolong any spine and back related issues down the road. I mean, whatever you gotta say here. Now, if you work from a computer that, once again, most people do these days, your hand can really start to cramp after using a standard mouse all day. I have this issue constantly. I work all day and then play video games with the mouse and my hand starts to hurt so bad. In your ad copy, show how this mouse increases comfort, leading to boosted efficiency due to the limited number of necessary rest breaks. Once again, your product is solving a problem. Now, these are my top picks for the upcoming seasons that are much different from these other videos and lists out there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe button if you gained any value. Now, I totally forgot to mention this, but when it comes to actually finding these products and the suppliers and sourcing it, you can use AliExpress, but when the time comes ticking down, you don't want anybody to receive their products after Christmas, of course, so you can actually switch to Amazon, take advantage of that 2-day shipping. Yes, your margins are going to be a little bit lower, but these are just general product ideas. There are tons of variants out there that you can use these exact products if you like, but I thought I would just cover that. So do your own research and good luck. So fortunately for you guys, not so fortunate for me, these videos are free for you to watch, and I do need to hit that 8-minute mark. So I actually created a ad campaign for my YouTube course, but I immediately took it off Google Ads, so I'm gonna debut it here.
Listen, folks, I would personally rather get a colonoscopy from a rusty chain link fence than to have to actually work for money. To be honest, I'm kinda lazy. I'm not even really all that smart. So, just to make my life that much easier, I went ahead and came up with the viral video formula and countless ways to monetize. You can't read that, can you? And for the past 6 years, I've been building passive income YouTube channels that monetize not only through AdSense, but brand deals and affiliate marketing, and starting a merch line and a clothing brand, and all of the secrets that you need to make some good cash passively. Spoiler alert, this is the easiest and best way to make money online. And if you don't want, you don't even have to show your own face. So why not turn the activities that you're gonna be doing on a daily basis anyway, like guitar, soap carving, cooking, competitive dog grooming, into a passive income machine? And here we actually have successful lawyer Joshua Roberts, who has joined the program.
How'd you get in here? Security!
Get paid for the things that you're already doing anyway. So, you got little time, little money to invest, but you want to make the big bucks. Well, join the program to figure out what I can do for you.